printed currency doesn't reflect energetic exchange. And so when people start looking at their interpersonal relationships, someone with an entitlement mindset has horrible interpersonal relationships because they're used to exchanging printed currency to get what they want. But if what they want is emotional wellness, which everybody does, whether they admit it or not, is way beyond the point. But when they want communication, when they want things to go quote unquote smoothly for them, and they don't because they're bouncing up against other people and they can't just buy someone's emotional support. So it creates that's the delusion, that's that false habitat, that's that false environment. And then this is, where we're at now, is these things are really starting to show up. When people have entitlement, their communication skills are shit. Their emotional intelligence is shit.